Welcome guys. I am glad you guys are taking interest and are back into solving the second layer. So in the last video we have done with the first layer. Now we have to do the second layer, which is this one in between. And trust me, this is more easier than you would be thinking now, because we just have to fix the four pieces: 1, 2, 3 and 4, the four middle pieces in the second layer. That's it. So the first thing you have to do is, in the last video when we were solving the first layer, we were holding the cube this way, where the color which you had selected first was facing towards the sky. Now while solving the second layer, you shift or you twist the cube in the upside down position. So for now, this is your top, the opposite color is your top. For me, the opposite color is blue, so this is facing towards the sky now. So the first thing I will do when solving the center layer is I will find a middle piece in the top layer and match it with the center piece of the middle layer. So for example, we will find a middle piece in the top layer, which is, so here I can see a orange and yellow middle piece. I will shift it directly over the orange center piece right here. And now I know this orange and yellow middle piece should be placed right here in between the orange and the yellow sides of the cube. So the formula for substituting this piece to the left hand side of the cube is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. And remember, while applying the formula, it should be in the top layer and directly over the matching centerpiece. So I will apply the formula: up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Now the orange and yellow middle piece is fixed properly in between the two sides. Now I will find another color in the top layer. So this is a white and a red middle piece. So I will, since here the color is white, I will shift it directly over the white color centerpiece. And now the white color is matching with its centerpiece, and we know that the red side should come in between the right hand side of the cube. So this piece should be substituted in the right hand side of the cube. So for that, the formula is slightly different. It is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. The piece is directly on the top layer above the white centerpiece. We will apply the formula: up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up and front. All right, the white and red middle piece is fixed in between here. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, the third one I think was already in the right place by default. So we are left with the last piece, which is the red yellow piece. And I see in the top layer the red yellow piece is here. So I will bring this directly on top of the red centerpiece. I will shift it this way. And one important point I would like to tell you, that if this is the right mnemonic, so the left mnemonic doesn't go this way. Okay, the left goes this way down. So there is a difference in how it goes. And if I say right inverted goes down, and if I say left inverted goes this way. So please remember this, don't get confused. आप बोलेंगे कि लेफ्ट इन्वर्टेड ऐसा जा रहा है तो राइट इन्वर्टेड भी ऐसा ही जाना चाहिए. नहीं, I don't know who made this formula, what was he high on, but let's carry on. एंड सिमिलरली अगर आपका अप ऐसा जा रहा है तो आपका डाउन ऐसा नहीं जाएगा, आपका डाउन ऐसा जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको आदत पड़ी आएगी, फिर उसके बाद कोई टेंशन नहीं है. एंड अभी ये पीस को राइट साइड में सब्सटीट्यूट करने के लिए द फॉर्मूला इज़ अगेन द सेम. अप, राइट, अप इन्वर्टेड, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up and front. So we have done the second layer as well. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments. Be motivated, stay home, stay safe.